Alrighty, it is April 22nd, Tuesday or Thursday, April 22nd, 2021. I just lost my thought for a second. It is Vlog 78. Crazy. Actually, I was already up early this morning because the car was making funny noises again, so I had to take it over to Lamb's to go get checked out. So again, we don't have a car. It's kind of crazy. But I need to tune up this morning. It's weird. The weather has changed and we're back into the 60s. And today it was kind of sprinkling. I will show the weather in a minute. Yeah. But first, we do some tuning. Nice. Always a good tuning. It's crazy. I have a new one too. It's pretty fun. That one's nice. That's my new one. So yeah, we're all tuned up for today. But actually, I was already up. Had to go early to go to Lamb's. There was some craziness though. Whew. There's an upset customer. It's so crazy. Like sometimes I don't know. Life, people, I don't know. They try to project their problems on other people. And it was funny because I know Lamb. You know, we've been going to him for a while. He's been our auto mechanic for a while, and he always gives a great deal, and he does good work. And yeah, he was trying to help somebody. And, yeah. Was hooking him up, but the guy like was just pissed. It was so crazy. But anyways, that's life, man. It's so nuts. What do we got today? Let's look at the weather because the weather is so crazy today. Wow, it's what? Yeah, it's really cool this morning. Actually, I had to take an Uber back. I was talking to the guy. He's like, "Why is it so cold over here?" I guess he was coming from LA, and um, he said it was a lot darker over here. But yeah, that's what's going on right now. It's 59 and really cloudy. It's like weird, but it's gonna get warmer, and the sun's gonna come out. How weird is it? At 7? Yeah, we'll see. Well, that's the weather for today. Alright, let's recap from yesterday. Actually, I did my vlog late yesterday. Oh, no, I didn't. I didn't. 'Cause I woke up at 9. Brandon came over early. That's why, yeah. And then we were doing work because we're working on our business. Represents. What's up? Getting some stuff done. Carrie is just killing it right now. Her and Brandon are working on, like, they're the website people. I'm the video guy. And yeah, they're doing all the website stuff. It looks fun though because the website's starting to look good. It's like crazy. I did my vlog yesterday, and then after that, I was doing some online shopping. If you've been watching the last ones, I've been shopping for my new desk setup actually. Ooh, if I can show it. This would be kind of cool. Plug in. That would just be plugged in. Let's see. Let's see if I can get a camera rocking. I'll use the camera. So right over there is my new desk. But it's still all packed up, like over here. That's the other part of it. But yeah, I got the new desk. It's one of those stand-up desks. I'll probably do a full. I'll do a full review. Oh wow, my mic just went out. No. All right, there we go. Testing 1, 2. Check, 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 check. I don't know how much you heard of that, but you saw that was my desk. And that was my new desk that I got. And yesterday I was shopping for more stuff. There's just some other things I'm trying to get all together so I can just do it like in one day. Put the desk in here, change everything. It's going to be super cool. Spring cleaning, man, and a new updated desk because my computer's old. It's been slowing down. It can't handle like the load that I'm putting on it. I've been doing a lot of editing and just a lot of stuff online. And then, yeah, it's going to be pretty cool. And I'll have a good space to actually work and stuff like that. So I'm excited. I'm really excited because this is like 2014. So I got this computer in 2014 and everything else kind of like added up. So from that time, this is all I've had for 2000. No, this is 2014. So 6 years I've been with this. And in technology times, woo, that is, I'm behind. So I need to update and get some work done. That's gonna be so fun. Actually, I did get this thing cool. If you guys have Apple, I got a new Magic Trackpad, and this thing's so cool. I like it. If you're an editor, like for Final Cut, it's easier to like scroll and stuff like that. And then I have my mouse so I have both. Oh my god, it's getting so much. So good to have good stuff. It's like my dream. Can't wait till it's done. It's gonna be sick. But anyways, yeah, I was ordering some stuff today, and then the new desk came yesterday. That's what happened. I was like, oh my god, I'm still in shock. And then I had to go do my handpan lesson with Maddie, and that was awesome. Maddie, you weren't paying attention. No, actually, she was just we worked on some stuff, but she was distracted. So, but Maddie, work on your what I told you. Work on your fingers. We're gonna play next week, so cool. And Tim was there. That was fun. We had a good time, and I get to teach Tim and Maddie, and actually Hattie. Hattie's wanting to learn, and she's fun. But those girls are awesome. It's fun to hang out. Over in Palos Verdes with them. Let's see. And then I have my Ook social, so like Wednesday's like my crazy day. So like I go to Palos Verdes, come back, and then I do the Ook social. And Sandy was on. I haven't seen Sandy in a while. She hasn't been on for a while. It's good to see her or hear from her. And then Nikki, Hadley, and Dean, and we had a good Ook social as always. Kind of cool when you have like a group. We've kind of like bonded well, so even on Zoom, it's kind of funny. So we have a cool little crew. Love them. And then I did my 100-day song. Actually, I was so tired last night. I got to a point. Well, last night the kittens were going crazy. They're climbing like it was all night and kept us up. So, and then I had a full day, and then I was so tired by then. Because actually Brandon came over again, and they were working on this stuff till like past midnight. We were up till past midnight. It was crazy. But I did my song, and I did a song that's for me, it was like it's kind of hard because the lyrics are crazy. It was "With Arms Wide Open" by Creed, and every single time I played it, I cried and I couldn't get through the song. I'm like, gosh, dang it! So I just kept practicing until I got to a point where I was like, okay, I can do it. And then, yeah, I did it live, and I made it to the end. I did it. It was cool. I'm glad I got through it without crying. What a challenge. But I feel like I'm behind because I have to, like, today I'm gonna try to write as many songs as I can. Because I only have, we have 19 days left. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4 songs. And I have to write the rest. And yeah, I have to get on the ball. So, yeah, that's happening right now. So I'm going to write as many. That's one of my goals today, is to write as many as I can today. I need to catch up on some stuff since we don't have a car. I'm not going anywhere, so I'm going to be here. The day is really cool, so it's good. I want to go outside. It's cold out. And yeah, and Brandon didn't go home till like late last night. But we're just starting in the throes of a new business and trying to get it out quick because we already have, or I guess we already have clients and stuff like that. It's kind of crazy. So and if we do the upfront work, it could be really automated. So and generate. Do good things for kids and then also generate some good income, so it's gonna be good. Business, man, it's cool. And yeah, they were working on the website stuff last night. I was like, wow, that's pretty awesome. Carrie's getting really good at website designing, and Brandon's been website designing for a while, so when you put their two heads together, it's pretty crazy. I was like, wow, I was listening to them. They were vibing pretty hard. It's good for business. So, let's see, what else do I need? Oh, I was going to look at the birthdays. Actually, Mom reminded me today is Keith Kimura's birthday. So, happy birthday, Keith. Hope you're having a great day. I'm going to look at more birthdays too. Let's see. Wow, there's a bunch of birthdays today. Keith. Keith is my mom's husband, my father-in-law. It is Megan's birthday. Megan. Oh my God. So Keith, happy birthday, Meg. Oh, is it Megan's? Oh, there's so many. Oh, and Joshua Garcia. Wow. Alex Granali must be another friend of mine. Nate Gavin. Wow. And Alyssa Grant Carter. I'm trying to see. Oh, Alyssa, happy birthday. Awesome. Oh my gosh, it's Megan's birthday, and we just saw her. We had dinner with her. She's a principal over at Stevens Middle School, and she's amazing. Our relationship has grown. There's that thing about that I always talk about in the 4 principles of music, where it's harmony, and there's a word called entrainment, and it's where it's kind of like when you meet somebody, it's like you've known them forever, and just vibe really well. And Megan is like one of those people. She's our people. So we had a great conversation, and it's good to mind meld with people. So, but actually, wow, what a day. We got Keith Kimura, Megan Traver, Joshua Garcia. Awesome. Actually, Josh, we've worked together with Friends of Bixby Park, and I know he's doing good things. He's in mortgage, and he does a lot of cool stuff for the community. So I haven't spoken to him well, so maybe I'll shoot him a text and see what he's been up to. And everybody else, Nate Gavin Nate Gavin is a photographer. Is he? Yeah, Nate Gavin, photographer. He's an awesome skater, videographer, photographer, skater. Awesomeness. And Nate, happy birthday, brother. So yeah, awesome day. But yeah, today I'm just gonna catch up on some stuff. I know I have some more things getting in order, and I'll probably try to start cleaning up this area. I have to get into, there's a file cabinet right here that you hear. I hate this file cabinet. It's just one of those big old ones I've had ever since I've been here. It's so crazy. Time to get rid of it. I got to spin that rolls, so it's better, and then it just cleans up this area. So you guys will see. I'll do a cool video on it, and yeah, I'm excited. I'm so excited. Life is good right now. A lot of stuff happening, and I'm about to get busy, so I need to prepare my mindset and my area and everything else for the rest of this year, because it's gonna get busy. I can already see it. So awesomeness. Today is April 22nd, Thursday. It is vlog 78, and that's all I have for me today. And like always, we'll leave you with a, I don't know what chord, F chord. Here we go. Like always, every day, keep on strumming ukulele. Yeah.